plus b divided by a minus b, find the values of 5 star 3 and 5 star 3 into star negative 2. Solution. A star b is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b. So beginning with 5 star 3, our a is 5 and our b is 3. So where there is a, we shall substitute a 5, and where there is b, we shall substitute a 3. So that is why we have 5 plus 3 here and 5 minus 3. So 5 plus 3 gives us 8, and 5 minus 3 gives us a 2. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give us a 4. So 5 star 3 is equal to 4. Roman 2, we have 5 star 3 bracket star negative 2. So remember 5 star 3 has given us 4, so we shall substitute there a 4, and it becomes 4 star negative 2 as indicated here. And 4 star negative 2 will give us 4 plus negative 2 divided by 4 minus 2. And that will give us 4 minus 2 and 4 plus 2, because a negative followed by negative gives us a positive. So that is why we have 4 plus 2. And that will give us 2 divided by 6, and on reducing it by 2, it gives us a third. And 5 star 3 bracket star negative 2 will be equal to a third. We get to another example. Given that a star b is equal to a b squared, find the values of 2 star 5 and 2 value of a if a star 3 is equal to 63. So we begin by stating our formula. Then 2 star 5, a is 2 and b is 5. So when we substitute, we shall have 2 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so that will give us 2 times 25, and 2 times 25 gives us a 50. Then we go to Roman 2. We are given that a star 3 is equal to 63, so we shall first obtain a star 3. So a star 3, a remains as a, and b is equal to 3. So when we substitute, we shall have a times 3 squared. 3 squared gives us 9, so that will give us a times 9, and it will be equal to 9a. But remember, our a star 3 was equal to 63, so we shall say 63 is equal to 9. And to get the value of a, we divide by 9 both sides. So by 9 by 9, we shall remain with a, and a will be equal to 63 divided by 9, and 63 divided by 9 gives us 7. So our value of a would be equal to 7. Another example, given that a star b is equal to a divided by b plus b divided by a, find the value of a half star 2 over 3. So it is the same knowledge we are going to use, only that now this is involving fractions. So we shall begin. A star b is equal to a over b plus b over a. So a star 3, a half star 2 over 3. Our a will be equal to a half, and b is 2/3. So we shall substitute. Where there is a, we substitute a half, and where there is b, we put 2 over 3. So we shall have a half divided by 2 over 3. Then we add 2 over 3 divided by a half. So to deal with this better, we introduce the ordinary division signs, and that will be the same as a half star 2 over 3 will be we open brackets, we get a half, then we divide it by 2 over 3 and close brackets, and we add 2 over 3 divided by a half. And we all know that when we are dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal, so we shall have a half times 3 over 2, which is the reciprocal of 2/3, then plus 2 over 3 times 2 over 1, which is the reciprocal of a half. So that will give us 3 over 4. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3. So it will give us 3 over 4 plus 4 over 3. And when we get there, we first get the LCM, which is 12, LCM of 4 and 3. Then we shall get 12, we divide by 4, which gives us a 3 times 3, and that will give us 9. Then we add 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4, and then 4 times 4 gives us 16. And then 16 plus 9 will give us 25. And therefore our answer of a half star 2 over 3 will give us 25 divided by 12. We continue. Given that a star b is equal to a squared plus root of ab, find, open bracket, 1 star 4, close bracket, star 3. So begin by stating our formula. A star b is equal to a squared plus root of ab. So since we are given a bracket of a 1 star 4, then star 3, we shall begin by considering what is in the bracket, which is 1 star 4. And when we consider that, our a will be equal to 1 and b will be equal to 4. And then we substitute in our formula. A star 4 would give us a squared plus root of 1 times 4. 1 squared gives us 1, and 1 times 4 gives us 4. And root of 4 is equal to 2. So we shall have 1 star 4 giving us 1 plus 2, and that will give us a 3. Then, now we have obtained the value of 1 star 4 as 3, so we shall substitute it here, and that will give us 3 star 3. So 3 star 3, our a will be 3, and b will also be 3. So we substitute, we shall have 3 squared plus root of 3 times 3. So 3 squared gives us 9, and root of 3 times 3 gives us root of 9. So we shall have 9 plus root 9. Root of 9 is 3, so we shall have 9 plus 3, which would give us a 12. So we say, therefore, 1 star 4 cross bracket star 3 is equal to 12. Another example, given that a star b is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab divided by a minus b, find 4 star 3 and 8 star, open bracket, 4 star 3, close bracket. So we shall begin with 4 star 3. There is our formula that we are going to use. 4 star 3, a is 4 and b is 3. So when we substitute, where there is a, we substitute there 4, and where there is b, we substitute there a 3. So here 4 squared, where we have a squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 4 times 3 divided by 4 minus 3. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, and 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 is 24. So that will give us 16 plus 9 minus 24 divided by 4 minus 3. 16 plus 9 gives us 25, so we shall have 25 divided by minus 21 divided by 1. And 25 minus 24 gives us 1, so we shall have 1 divided by 1, and that gives us a 1. So that means 4 star 3 is equal to 1. And then we find 8 star 4 star 3. So we have obtained the value of 4 star 3. So that will give us 8 star 1, because 4 star 3 gave us 1. So in here, A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 1. And then we shall substitute in our formula. So 8 star 1 will be equal to 8 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times 8 times 1 divided by 8 minus 1. So 8 squared is 64, 1 squared is 1, and 2 times 8 is 16 times 1 is 16. So we shall have 64 plus 1 minus 16 divided by 7. 64 plus 1 gives us 65, and 65 minus 16 gives us 49. So that means we shall have 49 divided by 7, and 49 divided by 7 gives us 7. Therefore, 8 star open bracket 4 star 3 close bracket is equal to 7. So that will be our assessment for today. So you can do this work and submit it to my email, which most of you already have. And lastly, about the Yaka services, our online classes are 500,000, and they include student-teacher interactions by holding class engagements, access to courses, all subjects on the website yaka.cc, marking and grading of assignments, quizzes for the full year. Then downloads in Ugandan in UGX. A single subject is 10,000, and all subjects per class in primary is 30, and in secondary it is 50,000. So we can access Yaka through this link, and we also access Educare through that link. About Educare, membership levels, where we only access content without the teacher, and you first have a 2 days free access before making payments. So our first level is bronze level, where we pay 20,000 per month to access the content, and after the month you need to pay another month to still access the content. Then we have silver level, where we pay 50,000 quarterly, and that would cater for 3 months. Then we have gold level, where we pay 70,000, and that caters for half a year. And then platinum of 100,000, and that is paid annually. So in case of any inquiries, you are free to contact us on those numbers indicated there: 0754 918 047 or 0786 00 12 44. Thank you very much for listening and for your active participation. God bless.